Welcome to this overview of natural language processing. NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's a rapidly evolving field with many exciting applications, from speech recognition and chatbots to sentiment analysis and machine translation. In this video, we will explore the basics of NLP, the challenges that NLP presents, and the future of this exciting field. Let's dive in. Speech recognition is a technology that enables machine to understand and interpret human speech. By analyzing spoken words and patterns, speech recognition systems can transcribe speech into text or execute commands based on verbal instructions. This technology has come a long way in recent years thanks to advancements in natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. Today, speech recognition systems are used in a variety of applications, including virtual assistants, dictation software, and call center automation. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate human conversation. By using natural language processing and machine learning, chatbots can understand and respond to user inquiries and requests. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in a variety of industries, including customer service, e-commerce, and healthcare. They can help businesses automate routine tasks, provide 24/7 customer support, and enhance the overall user experience. Voice assistants are intelligent digital assistants that can recognize and respond to voice commands. By using natural language processing and machine learning, voice assistants can perform a variety of tasks such as playing music, setting reminders, and answering questions. Voice assistants have become increasingly popular in recent years, with devices like Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google Assistant becoming household names. They are integrated into a variety of devices, including smartphones, smart speakers, and even cars. Text summarization is a technology that automatically generates a shortened version of a text document. By using natural language processing and machine learning, text summarization algorithms can identify the most important information in a document and present it in a condensed form. Text summarization has many applications, including news aggregation, research papers, and legal documents. It can save time and make it easier for people to digest complex information. Let's see some about the NLP techniques. We are going to start with tokenization. Tokenization is a process in natural language processing that breaks down text into smaller units called tokens. These tokens can be individual words or groups of words such as phrases or sentences. Tokenization is a crucial step in many NLP tasks such as text classification, sentiment analysis, and machine translation. By breaking down text into smaller units, it makes it easier for computers to analyze and understand the meaning of the text. Part of speech tagging is a technique in natural language processing that assigns a grammatical category to each word in a sentence. These categories include nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and more. Part of speech tagging is an important tool for many NLP tasks such as text classification, sentiment analysis, and machine translation. By identifying the part of speech of each word, computers can better understand the meaning of a sentence and its context. Named entity recognition is a technique in natural language processing that identifies and classifies named entities in text such as people, organizations, locations, and dates. Named entity recognition is a crucial tool for many NLP applications such as information retrieval, text classification, and question answering. By identifying and classifying named entities, computers can better understand the meaning of a text or extract relevant information from it. Sentiment analysis is a technique in natural language processing that analyzes the emotional tone of a text such as a review, tweet, or article. Sentiment analysis algorithms classify the text as positive, negative, or neutral based on the underlying sentiment. Sentiment analysis has many applications, including market research, brand monitoring, and customer service. It can help businesses and organizations understand their customers' options and emotions and make informed decisions based on that data. Now we are going to talk about the challenges in natural language processing. One of the biggest challenges in natural language processing is the linguistic diversity of human languages. There are over 7,000 languages spoken around the world, each with its own unique grammar, syntax, and vocabulary. This poses a significant challenge for NLP researchers and developers who must create algorithms that can process and analyze text in multiple languages. The linguistic diversity of human languages makes it difficult to develop a one-size-fits-all approach to NLP. Contextual ambiguity is one of the biggest challenges in natural language processing. It refers to the fact that the meaning of a word or phrase can change depending on the context in which it appears. For example, the word bank can refer to a financial institution, or it can refer to the side of a river. Without context, it is impossible to determine the intended meaning of the word. Semantic extraction is one of the biggest challenges in natural language processing. It refers to the process of extracting the meaning from a text, such as identifying the entities mentioned and the relationships between them. Semantic extraction is a complex task because it requires the NLP model to understand the context and the meaning of the text, as well as the relationships between the entities mentioned. This can be particularly challenging for texts with multiple layers of meaning, such as metaphors or idiomatic expressions. Now we are going to talk about the future of NLP. The future of NLP looks promising, and one area that is set to see significant improvement in data quality. As more data becomes available and new techniques are developed to collect, clean, and organize data, NLP models will be able to learn from larger and more diverse datasets. Improved data quality will lead to more accurate and reliable NLP models that can process and analyze text with greater precision. It will also help to address issues such as bias and improve the fairness of acuity of NLP models. In the future, we can expect NLP models to be able to understand and process human language with even greater accuracy and sophistication, leading to new opportunities for applications such as personalized healthcare, smart cities, and intelligent assistants. The future of NLP will also involve addressing the challenge of low-resource languages. There are languages that have limited amounts of training data and linguistic resources, making it difficult to develop accurate NLP models. However, new techniques such as transfer learning and unsupervised learning are making it possible to develop NLP models for low-resource languages using data from other languages or by leveraging large amounts of unlabeled data. In the future, we can expect to see more NLP models that are capable of processing and analyzing low-resource languages, leading to new opportunities for global communication, cross-cultural collaboration, and improved access to information for communities that have been traditionally undeserved by technology. The future of NLP will also involve developing more interactive chatbots. Current chatbots can be limited in their ability to engage in natural, human-like conversations and respond to complex queries. However, advances in NLP, machine learning, and conversational agents are making it possible to develop more interactive chatbots that can understand and respond to a wider range of user inputs and queries. In the future, we can expect chatbots to become more conversational and personalized, with the ability to learn from past conversations and adapt to the user's preferences and context. This will lead to more engaging and effective interactions and open up new opportunities for applications such as customer service, personal assistance, and mental health support. Throughout this video, we explored the exciting and ever-evolving world of natural language processing, from speech recognition and text summarization to sentiment analysis and contextual ambiguity. We have seen the many challenges and opportunities that NLP presents. But NLP isn't just about processing language, it's also about extracting meaning. The ability of NLP to extract insights from language is reshaping how humans interact with computers and each other. It's enabling us to understand complex information more quickly and accurately, and to communicate with each other in new and exciting ways. Personalization is also an important part of future of NLP. As we continue to develop more advanced NLP models, we will be able to create more personalized experiences for users. Chatbots will be able to understand and respond to individual preferences, and content will be tailored to individual interests and needs. Finally, cross-lingual understanding is another area where NLP is set to make a big impact. With ability to process and analyze multiple languages, NLP will enable greater cross-cultural communication and understanding and improve access to information for people around the world. The power of NLP is undeniable and the future is bright for this exciting field. We are just getting started, and there is still so much to explore and discover. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we will be able to create new applications and services that help us to understand and communicate with each other more effectively. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching.